Hi guys. Okay, so today I wanted to do a comparison between some different propellers for the original Emax Babyhawk motors. And these are the 1104 5250 kV motors that came on the original Emax. I just have put them on a different frame here. This has the King Kong version of the original Emax props that are basically, the shape is a clone, but it is a little bit different because they have the two mounting patterns for the bolt holes on the top that makes them work with these Babyhawk motors, and also most of the other common 1104, 1105, 1106 motors on the market. I did fly with the original Emax prop, and I find that these King Kong ones just fly a lot smoother. I don't know if maybe they're a lot better balanced, but they just seem to work a lot better. The setup on this guy is the Emax motors, an AirBlade Éclair 2.5 inch frame, Caddx F1 I believe, it's the CMOS, the 1200 TVL camera, the Emax Magnum Mini F3 stack, and a VTX03 with just the standard dipole for the video transmitter. And then I'm using a Spektrum satellite receiver. And on the right here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly this quad with the King Kong props, the 2345s. We'll see how it flies, and then I'm going to put these new Avan 2.3 inch props on. But they're supposed to be way better, so we'll just see how much better they perform or what the difference is. And again, these are the Emax Avan props that are made specifically for the Emax 1104 Babyhawk motors. Let's see how it flies. Okay, so just finished the flight with the King Kong 2345 propellers here on the right. It performs well. It has good speed, good power, smooth. There is some prop wash oscillation going on when I make quick turns and get into the prop wash. I just haven't bothered to tune it out. The Emax Avan props I have on there now. I haven't changed the tune or anything about the setup, just changed the propellers, so it should be a good direct comparison. The wind is picking up a little bit more than it was when I just flew, so hopefully that won't affect the test results. But let's give it a flight and see how different these Avan 2.3 inches perform. Okay, so flight impressions after flying the two propellers back to back. I would say that the Emax Avan propellers felt pretty similar to the King Kong 2345s. I think they were a little better in most areas. They seemed a little smoother, maybe a little more power, just a little more locked in, and the throttle felt a little more linear, just a little easier to control when doing split S's and that sort of thing. I would say, as far as I know, we only have 3 options for propellers for these particular motors right now. The original Emax 2345s, the King Kongs, and then these Emax Avan 2.3 inches. And I would say of those 3, the Avans are definitely the best, with the King Kongs being a close second. So I would say if you're thinking about getting these, just go ahead and get them. I think this is the best option for these motors for the original Babyhawk, or if you have these motors on an aftermarket frame like I do. But that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.